Hi friends, sorry about my voice today. I am kind of sick, but in today's video we are going to be doing 2 wreaths from items like the holiday picks that I got from Joann's. They are currently 75% off online, or buy one get 3 free, so I recommend going right now to get them. But for the first one, we're going to start off with this wreath form. I got this big one from Walmart. And then we're going to take 2 separate picks that like I said, got from Joann's. One is $6.99, so it ended up only being $1.74. And then the other one was $9.99. That's this one that I'm putting in right now. And so it only ended up being $2.50 each. So we're just going to basically put these picks in one after another, all the way around the entire wreath form. And I just kind of secure them. I don't fully secure them because we'll be using some wire at the very end to really secure them to the wreath form. And now once all of those large picks were added on, I went ahead and added a few more of these little ones. These were $2.99 a piece, so with their sale, they were only 75 cents. And I added 4 of these around just where I thought it needed just a little bit more, just because you could still see the wire. Then we're going to go ahead and flip this whole wreath over and secure it with some wire. This wire is actually just from Michael's. I usually get them when they're on their like 60 to 90% off. So it's really inexpensive. I believe it's the floral wire. And we're just going to secure all of these little stems to the wire. And so it stays pretty sturdy all year long. And I can use it again next year. Okay, and for this next one, we're going to use 5 of these picks for $9.99, so $2.50 with their sale, and then this wreath form that I got from Dollar Tree. So in total, this wreath is going to cost less than $15. And I just separated the pick, and then we're just going to insert each little pick, the separated picks, into the wreath form until it forms and it makes it all full and exactly how we want it to look. I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple video today, and I hope you guys have a great week. It is Thanksgiving week here in the US, so happy Thanksgiving to all of you who celebrate. Okay, bye!